Yo, what is up, boys? Today is not moto vlog day, but I have never been excited for a video, I don't think ever in my life. So the UPS guy just left a package at my door, and if you saw by the title and thumbnail of this video, there is an enormous box outside. Now the reason I'm filming the portion is because my neighbor's mowing his lawn and I didn't want to do an intro, so I got my mic and I didn't want to do an intro with a weed whacker in the background. So there might be some weed whacker in the background. Hopefully this DJI mic kind of cancels some of that out so it's not in your ears constantly. The box is outside, so let's go do an unboxing and build, because we got to build it a little bit, not too much, but a little bit. Got all the tools ready. Oh my gosh, my mind is racing so bad I can't even focus. Let's go build what is in that box. Here she is, boys. Now it says to do not throw the box. Please keep the packaging for 60 days. The box is already destroyed, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to keep it for 60 days. If it breaks, well, I'll cry, but it's okay. Ooh, this is gonna need, God, I'm gonna need an industrial saw to get into that right there. We'll do the front, yoink. That tape's already been ripped off, yoink. Okay, well, what the hell, dude? Sawing it was working, but this isn't a prefa something knife, you know? Got it. That knife is hot. Oh, great. I see more of those straps. Lovely. I'm gonna need that knife again because I don't think I can lift this straight up and out. Oh. Got it. I don't know how to get this box out of this box. Now there's foam. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. So there's you guys. This is what I'm looking at right here. Now, does this foam come out? Well, they are today. There she is, boys. Oh, that was satisfying. Oh my God, that was unbelievably satisfying. Let me try to work on getting this out. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Sorry, voromotors. I'm gonna cut this box open. I can't lift it straight up and out, so I'm cutting it. Okay, you know what? There you go. Yeah. Now we're cooking. I ain't losing to a fucking box. Now we gotta do it to this one and hope it doesn't fall over, you know? Oops. Yeah, boy. Here we go. There it is, boys. She is out. Is the kickstand pre-installed? Hopefully it is. She is out. Now I gotta get into all these accessories down here and put her together. Now there's a couple things down here, so let's see. Battery charger. We'll be charging the battery fully before we go out on any rides and stuff. I think that's what you're supposed to do. This is my first electric vehicle, so I literally have no idea. The handlebar risers, we'll have to figure those out. 17 mil and a 14 mil. Oh, they threw in an Allen key set. And then the pegs. And I don't know if there's a right and a left. We're gonna have to figure that out. But that should be everything. So I'm gonna get this box out of our way and put this thing together. Let's get the seat unwrapped. Got its little hairnet. That seat actually does feel really good. I actually don't hate that seat. It is hot out here, boys. Doing all this. And I'll be honest, I don't even know how to build the fucking thing. All right, I'm gonna stop this video, watch a video on how to build it, and come back. So they started with the handlebars, so we'll do that. So these have got to be straight. And then it's gonna go handlebar risers, and then these bars. Okay, I like that. All right, probably shouldn't put that on the screen, but that's okay. So, well, we'll just leave that. We'll just leave that there for now. Here's the handlebar risers. They put it on like this. Slid on pretty easily. Let's make sure that's kind of straight or it's gonna drive my OCD nuts. There we go. Those should be tight enough for now. We'll put this on just like that. Now we put this guy in here. Found the hole. Just snug those up for now. Does the wheel turn? Yes, it does. Is it straight? Yes, it is. These ones already came pretty much pre-tightened, but you should always tighten everything from the factory just to be safe. All right, perfect. Now it's time for the tubes. But see, yeah, these all came tightened down already. Is there a way I can move this? Whoops, there that goes. Let's take off that foam. Throttle's twisty and snappy. Yep, I like that. I like that. All right, time for the screen. So the screen needs to be moved over because it's off center and that's gonna drive me nuts. Now we are screwing into plastic, so I should probably be kind of careful. Perfect. Boom, just like that, fellas. There's a dead worm right here. That's disgusting. Cotter pin removed. This is going right in the trash because I don't want to run over it. Okay, this peg design is whack. What the fuck are we doing, boys? Boys, I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to film this process. This is tough. I just bashed my back on the handlebars. Like, who looked at this and said, oh, that is a great idea. Oh, my knees need a break. I'm getting old, boys. All right, I took a little breather. Listen, I'm no engineer, right? Well, what the fuck is this shit? All right, boys, I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll bring you back. Pegs are on. That's just, no. All we gotta do, get the keys off, and then I've gotta plug in the battery, and I'll bring you over here for that when I plug it in. It's battery time. I don't know if this battery is actually locked in here. Is it? We're gonna find out. So it seems that it is. All right, boys, plug it in. So I believe they actually, sometimes it shows it running over the frame. I'm glad they didn't do that. I'm glad they ran it under. So there's that. All right. She's in. I heard a noise. I hope that wasn't a bad noise. I guess we'll have to find out, won't we? We're gonna hit this power on button and see what happens. Oh, uh-oh, voromotors. There it is. So it looks like it comes basically charged. I don't know if you're supposed to, you know, whatever. I'm not even gonna move. I'm just gonna hand the camera to my girlfriend and we'll just run it up the street real quick. And then when I get back, I'm gonna retighten everything and put proper air in the tires. So let's do it. All right, boys. Okay, so it seems I'm in the rocket mode. I am right in the rocket mode. I was not expecting that. So we're just gonna hold this button to go into eco mode. We'll go to level 3 in eco mode. I already left a skid mark in my driveway. That actually scared the shit out of me. Oh my goodness. All right, boys, here we go. Power level, why not? We'll start at 1. We'll go up to 2. Uh-huh. A little better. Now I can hear my rotor rubbing. Of course it is. We can figure that out. Ooh, not the best turning radius. That's full lock and that's full lock. I don't want to go too nuts because I haven't, like I said, I haven't tightened none of the bolts from factory. So we'll go to power level 3. It's already in miles per hour, which is nice. Oh, this is, boys. This is wicked. Yeah, we're gonna figure out that rotor rubbing situation. It's fucking obnoxiously loud. Now we're gonna go to power level 5. Power level 5, still in eco mode. Oh my God. Holy, I don't even know if the mic can hear me anymore. Oh my God, boys, we are about to have fun on this thing. So now, I guess we gotta try rocket mode, huh? We'll go to rocket mode level 3. Okay. All right, you ready? Try to lean forward a little bit. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. And we would be completely silent if it wasn't for the motor rubbing. But man, you gotta lean forward. All right, you know what, boys? We're gonna full send if you can hear me. We're going into mode 5. Here we go. Mode 5. Oh my gosh. No way. All right, boys. So I'm gonna get all this stuff cleaned up and we're gonna get this battery charged and we're gonna do a quick moto vlog portion on this. I got my helmet hooked up. You see we got Michaela, Stone, and Johnny. We've all 3 already been riding it a little bit. I charged the battery a little while, still not fully charged. I know you're probably supposed to charge it to 100%, but whatever. Let me have my fun. I spent the money, you didn't. But I'm not gonna make a moto vlog or nothing like that on it today because I wanna do it with a full battery. You see, we're at 62 volts. I'll be honest, I'm not a, I don't know what the hell that means. Now, it was making noise. The rotor was making noise, and I bent the rotor back, and now, I mean, listen. She is completely silent. So we are starting in eco mode, mode 5. Because I'll be honest, mode 1, that's not for me. Cruise control, I got into the menu and I set cruise control to automatically do it. But that's just a death trap when somebody's trying to learn the bike. Like Michaela and Johnny were trying to learn the bike and they forgot when they would let off. The cruise control would just automatically stick. But let's quit yapping and go take this bitch on a ride. So we're in mode 5. When we get out of my neighborhood, I'll put it in the dual motor mode. And we will go have some fun. I cannot wait to make videos on this when it's got a full battery and shit like that. Not dual motor mode, full throttle, max speed, or speed mode 5. So there's the speed limit. Oh yeah, look, we're technically speeding. 36 miles an hour. So we're gonna pull off right here and we are gonna go into, hold the mode button and it's gonna go into rocket mode. We're gonna start in rocket mode 3 because 5 is just ridiculous. So As you can hear the tire want to peel out, and we are cruising. So it goes about the same speed. I think it just gets you there quicker. So it seems it's going about 36 miles an hour, and we are completely silent. I'm used to, I don't even have to yell. I forgot it's silent. I don't even have to yell. I'm used to yelling over a gas engine. And look how stable the bars are. Look, that's 20 miles an hour, letting the handlebars go. And now we're gonna go into mode 4. We'll start in mode 4. Oh, bitch. Look how jerky. Oh my, this thing is a fucking death trap, and I love it. Full throttle. Dude, this thing is so much fun. I cannot, it's crazy to me. I'm used to like letting off the throttle, shifting up and all that stuff. And I don't have to do that anymore. Clicker into mode 5, 61.6 volts. We're in mode 5. Okay, we're gonna go, oh gosh. See, we are just sliding all over the place. So mode 5, there's 34. Oh my gosh. Okay, slow down for the turns. Not comfortable with it yet. 37. Ooh, yeah, look at the voltage drop though. That's all right. 38, 40, 42. Oh my God, and this isn't even with a full battery. That is wild. That is crazy. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to have fun on this thing, boys. We are gonna mob the fuck out of this thing. And voromotors, if you're watching, I'd love to go on rides with my girlfriend. So hey, we can team up. Listen, we can team up, Voro. Listen, Voro, I'm gonna zoom past him. I'm zooming past him. And the brakes are actually phenomenal. The brakes are better than the Grom brakes. So I made it back to the house. You guys saw how much fun that is in speed mode 5, and that's not even with a full battery. I cannot wait to do some like range tests, and man, the content that is gonna come out of this bike, mobbing on the paths, because I can put, I can be a respectful guy and put it to e-bike speed, you know what I'm saying? So I won't scare nobody. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, the setup, and the first ride test of my new RoadRunner Pro e-bike. voromotors. Listen, if you wanted to send me another one, I ain't gonna be mad, right? So you guys already know the drill. If you enjoy, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later.